Today we are derive area of triangle. Here we have triangle ABC, A, B, C, coordinate of A x1 y1, coordinate of B x2 y2, coordinate of C x3 y3. Here we have to find area of triangle ABC. Formula for making area of triangle ABC is area of this trapezium ABMN plus area of this trapezium ANOC minus area of this trapezium BMOC. Okay, this is our formula. We know that the area of trapezium is h upon 2 B plus A. That means sum of parallel sides. For trapezium ABMN, height of this trapezium is x1 minus x2 because point N is x1 0 and distance from origin to point N is x1 and distance from origin with point M is x2. So distance between M and N is x1 minus x2. So for trapezium ABMN, height is x1 minus x2 and sum of parallel sides, here parallel sides are BM and AN. Measure of BM is y2 and measure of AN is y1. Similarly for trapezium ANOC, height of this trapezium is MO, distance from origin with point N is x1 and distance from origin from O is x3. So distance between M and O is x3 minus x1. So here height is x3 minus x1 and sum of parallel side, that means AN is y1 and CO is y3. For trapezium BMOC, height of this trapezium is MO and distance between MO is x3 minus x1. Okay, and sum of parallel side, that means parallel side is B and M. Measure between BM is y2 and measure between CO is y3. Now simplify this. We know that multiplication of two brackets is x1 with y1 y2, that means x1 into y1 x1 into y3. Same way minus x2 into y1 and minus x2 into y3. For second bracket, x3 multiplied by y1, x3 multiplied by y3 minus x1 with y1 and minus x1 with y3. Here negative sign is there. So multiplication with x3 with y2 is minus x3 y2. Same way multiply minus x3 with y2, that means minus x3 y3, minus minus plus, that means x2 y2 and again minus minus plus is x2 y3. So we get this term. Okay, now multiplication, same terms are cancelled, x1 y1 and minus x1 y1 both are cancelled, minus x2 y2 and plus x2 y2 both are cancelled, plus x3 y3 and minus x3 y3 both are cancelled. Now we have these terms only. These two terms we take x1 as a common, so in the bracket x1 is a common, so in the bracket y2 minus y3. For these two terms, this term and this term, we take x2 as a common term. So we have y3 minus y1. x2 is common and y3 minus y1. And in these two terms, we take x3 as a common term. So we have y1 minus y2. So the area of triangle ABC is equals to half of x1 in the bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 in the bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 in the bracket y1 minus y2.